Hey there, it's Catherine, and today I'm going to cover what a financial plan is used for. So a financial plan is a guide to help you make life decisions, and there's a lot of life decisions that are out there, whether it be saving for retirement, saving for kids' education, or perhaps you have grandkids you want to pay for college, or buying a new home, or maybe retiring to another state, buying a business, buying an RV, traveling, you name it. There's so many things that are out there, and everybody's at a different place in their lives. And so a financial plan is really there to help you make sure that you're on track to reach some of those goals that you have. And so through the financial planning process, what we find is potentially there could be some financial blind spots. And some of those may look like, do you have any aging parents that you might need to help? Or perhaps for yourself, who's going to take care of you in those final years? And so it's important that you look at all different areas of your financial life and all the different phases. And what we also factor in when we look at your retirement or your financial plan is, what is your lifestyle? Is it going to change later? Or we're not saying that you can't live the life that you want. It's just, what are the numbers and what does it look like? It's having real conversations about what's important to you. And so we look at your budget, we look at your expenses, we look at your income. And through that, we have conversations about where is your money and what's the best use of your money. We also look at your investments. We make sure that are your investments in the right place to help you reach your goals. And as markets change, are you still in the right investment structure? And so once again, it's not a one size fits all, or it's not a one-time thing. This is always changing because your life changes. And with that, we see sometimes there's new marriages, or perhaps there's inheritances, or maybe there's new additions to the family, or maybe you want to do a remodel on your home. All those life decisions cost money, and it's important that you look at those from a financial planning perspective. And so it's not just about having a financial document, which I think is really important to have a financial plan. It's about having those real conversations about what's important to you. It's so different for everybody. For you, it might be, do I want to leave money to my kids? Or it might mean I want to travel the world. And it's okay. It's a matter of what do you want to do for the rest of your life. And so, once again, we all look at every year getting a wellness checkup. We look at what's our next vacation. But the reality is, when's the last time you looked at your financial plan? And it is important to look at that. It's just as important. Benjamin Franklin once said, if you fail to plan, you're planning to fail. And I'd like to offer you a free 30-minute initial consultation to see if I can help you or if I can be a good fit for you. So I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.